Hello students, today's video is on anatomy where we will discuss the anatomical directional terminologies. What is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of structures or body parts and their relationships to one another. And the anatomical position is a body is erect, feet together, palms face towards, and the thumbs point away from the body. There are so many disciplines of anatomy, like gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is a structures studies with the naked eye. The second one is microscopic anatomy, developmental anatomy, pathological anatomy, and radiological anatomy. Now, the anatomical directional terminologies are: number one is superior. Superior means the part is above another or closer to head, which is cranial. Second one is inferior. Inferior means the part is below another or towards the feet. Third is posterior. Posterior means towards the back, like the pharynx is posterior to the oral cavity. Fourth is anterior. Anterior means towards the front, like the eyes are anterior to the brain. Fifth one is medial. Medial relates to the imaginary midlines, dividing the body into equal right and left halves, like the nose is medial to the eyes. Sixth is lateral. Lateral means towards the side with respect to the imaginary midline, like the ears are lateral to the eyes. Now the seventh is proximal. Proximal is used to describe a part that is closer to the trunk of the body or closer to another specified point of reference than other part, like the elbow is proximal to the wrist, and the distal is means that a particular body part is further from the trunk or further from another specified point of reference than another part, like the fingers are distal to the wrist. Now the ninth is superficial. Superficial means situated near the surface. Peripheral also means outward or near the surface, like the skin is superficial to the skeletal muscles. Now the tenth is deep. Deep is used to describe the parts that are more internal. For example, the lungs are deep to the skin.